Hello everyone, it's SM here. Good morning, good evening, depending on the time you're going to be watching this video, right? Alright, so this is the continuation of the series, SLP series. I'm sorry that I had to pause for a while because I was busy with some other things. Alright, so but we are coming back strong now. We are coming fully now. Alright, so last time on our last series, we were talking about basics of key level. While I was introducing you to key levels, I told you that we have three types of key level. We have the A-shaped key level and the V-shaped key level and the open close. I said the A-shaped key level because it looks like an A. Why the V-shaped key level? Because it looks like a V. So this is more like just like a revision because it looks like a V, and then the open close is the open and close of two consecutive candles. And we said that the open close is divided into two. We have the bullish open close and we have the bearish open close. Bullish open close and the bearish open close. So this is a bearish open close, two consecutive bearish candle. Forget the color, don't mind my color. The open and the close of them is the open close, right? So that's the open close. So we said that an A-shaped key level, this is what it is used for. We're expecting price to rally back on a basically now. We're expecting price to rally back into this A shape and then we sell. Are you getting me? Then we sell. Why for a V shape is basically used for buys. Are you getting me? It's basically used for buys, meaning that we're expecting price to just rally into this particular key level and then we start buying. All right. So sorry, I made a mistake here. This is what I should have done. So I just expecting price to come back and start buying. Why for a bearish open close? Expecting price to just come into that bearish open close and start selling. So also for a bullish open close, if you flip the chart. Alright, so that's the basic form of key levels, what they are basically used for. So in this particular video, we are going to be talking about disrespected key levels. A key level that is disrespected. Alright, so let's still pick out our key levels back again. We said we have an A-shaped key level, an A-shaped key level. Yes, this is an A-shaped key level. And then we have the V-shape. Sorry, we have the V-shaped key level as well. We have the V-shaped key level. Then we have the two type of open closed key level, the bullish candle, first bullish candle, second bullish candle, bullish open close. Then we have bearish open close, the first bearish candle. Please don't mind my color, okay? And the second bearish candle. So first of all, we said an A-shaped key level is for buys. Sales. V-shape for buys. Bullish open close for sales. This is a bullish open close. What am I saying? Bullish open close for buys, sorry. And then bearish open close for sales, as the names implies. So on a basic form, these are the three types of key level we have. An A-shaped key level for sales, a V-shaped key level for buys because it looks like a V, an A-shape because it looks like an A. And then we have the open close, bullish open close, and the bearish open close. The bullish open close is used for buys and the bearish open close is used for sales. Alright. So that's just basically basic forms of key level. So we're now looking at this from this. We are now talking when we are talking on disrespected key level, and I will show you an live examples on the chart, and I will also show you a trade this morning. Although it was a miss for me, but I think something like that happened. Yeah, it happened. It happened all the time. It happens all the time. Okay, let me even try and remove all this. Let's just use one and pick one open close as well to use. I will just flip the chart. That's what I will do. Okay. So take a look at this. This is a bullish open close. Sorry, an A-shaped key level. So an A-shaped key levels for buy. So and price now comes into this particular key level, and instead of price buying from selling from here, price break above it with a full body candle. The last video I told you guys that that key level is still valid, but it will now be used to push price in the opposite direction, meaning something like this is what we'll now be looking for. Oh god, this one will now be looking for. How do I move this thing out of this where this chart is? What's this? Sorry guys, let me shift it down. So this is it. So to now be used to push price in the opposite direction. First of all, it is used for sales, but it was disrespected, and because it was disrespected, we can still use that key level, but to not be used to push price in the opposite direction. But well, if we have a scenario like this, let's say for an example, price, depending on the numbers of time that price disrespected that key level, so that's what I'm trying to explain now. So let's say for example, price came in like this, use this particular key level before, sold, and then price coming back, broke above that key level, and then use this particular key level, let's say once, tested it once and bought, and then price coming back, price breaks above it, breaks below it again, then we are still you can still use that particular key level to push price down again. That was why I said depending on the numbers of time that price disrespected the key level, price reacted from it before, broke above it, then used it to push buys, then price broke below it again. Price can still use that key level to push price in the intended direction that it was supposed to be to before, depending on the numbers of break that price had. You get what I'm saying? Depending on the numbers of breaks that price have. Let me show you a chart example, or before I show you, let me show you also for a bearish scenario. The same thing happens for a V shape. A V shape is used for buys, right? A V shape is used for buys, and instead of price using this particular V shape for buys, price broke below it with a full body candle, with an impulsive candle. Are you getting what I'm saying? And then price can still use that key level to push price below. Are you getting me? Push price below. But in a scenario, price reacted from that key level, then broke below it, then price used it again, tested it to push price downward, and after pushing price downward again, price came back to break that key level. Price can still use that key level to push price in the normal direction that it should put price to before. Are you getting what I'm saying? Let me show you chart example. Sorry, let me just show you chart example here. All right, so guys, look at this now. This is AEDJPY and AEDJPY. Let me try and remove all these things. So let me try and delete all these things. Clear this thing. No hold on. Right. Let me show you. Remove this alert. Sorry guys, my network is not really that good. So you just bear with me. Alright, so look at this. Look at what I'm trying to explain now. Look at this. Just take a look. So look at this particular key level now. Try to look for a clean one, like a clean one. So look at this particular key level. This is a V-shaped key level. Go to the line chart, you will see. Always go to the line chart. You can see that's a V-shaped key level. And what did price do? You can see that price tested that key level first time, using to push price. Let me show. Let me be doing what I'm saying. Look at this. Price came into. Oh God, how do I want this thing? think I should use this. So price came into the key level, tapped on the key level, bought, and then price bought. What did price do? Price broke below it, closed it with a. Let me use this diagram and show you what happened. See, price tapped into this key level, price went up, and then what did price do? Price broke below it with a full body candle, and broke it below it with a full body candle. Price came back again, used that same key level that was used for buys before, but was not disrespected. Price used it for sales again. If I pick this diagram out, you are gonna see what I'm trying to explain. Can you see this thing now? This is a V-shaped key level. A V-shaped key level. What did price do? You can see. After price disrespected, the price came back to use that key level to push price in intended direction. All right, in the opposite direction. Meaning that key level was still valid, but it was used to push price in the opposite direction. Are you getting me now? Alright, so let's look for a more clearer examples for when a key level is disrespected multiple times. And if you are even checking this, if you want to even check this, it's still the same thing. Look at this one. This is an A-shaped key level that was supposed to be that is used for sales. And what the price did? Price, first of all, came into the key level and rejected. Then price broke it with an impulsive move. Price broke it with an impulsive move. Go to the line chart. What do you see that price did? Price came back to use that key level to push price in the opposite direction again. Are you with me? Again. And so many examples like that. So many examples. Now look at this one that I'm trying to explain. This is what I'm trying to explain. This is a V-shaped key level. Although price didn't tap it. Yeah, that's the problem now. Price did not tap it again, but it still came back to use it for buys. A V-shaped key level is used for buys, right? It's used for buys. What can you see here? This is a V-shaped key level. But what did price did? Look at what price did. This is a V-shaped key level. Price disrespected the key level. It was rallying, doing all this rally and stuff. Price just came very close to that key level, just like this, and then price broke above that key level again. Sorry. Price broke above that key level again. Price broke above that key level again. Price tested this key level and went up again, went up. In fact, if you check the AUDJPY buys, that is, I can tell you that is where it started from. Can you see it? Like, price broke the V-shaped key level. Let me position this thing where price broke the V-shaped key level. Price rallied, came back, broke it the second time again. Price broke it. Let me take this thing out so that you can see what I'm trying to explain. So price broke a V-shaped key level. Price was playing in between, just playing inside, and the price broke it again. And price broke it again to the upside. What the price did? Price used that key level, that V-shaped key level again, to push price upward. Are you getting me now? Price used to push price upward again. All right. So in so many scenarios like that, that's how price move. When a key level is disrespected, doesn't mean that that key level is no longer valid. It's still valid, but it will not be used to push price in the opposite direction until it is disrespected again. Are you getting me? Until it is disrespected again. Let me look for another example for you. I'll just be showing you bullish examples now. I'll be showing you single disrespect, like a key level that is disrespected single, like one time, and the one that was disrespected multiple times. Are you getting me? This depends on the number of times that it was disrespected. Are you getting me now? So look at this one also. This is an A-shaped key level. A-shaped key level is used for sell. Go to the line chart. What's that? A-shaped key level. But the moment it was broken, what did price use it for? Price used it for buys. Price now used it for buys. Price now used it for buys around this level. Price used it for buys. Coming back into this one as well, you can see where all this main move was coming from. They were all key levels that were disrespected. Are you looking at this? Look at this one as well. Okay. Yep. Price tapped into it exactly. So this is an A-shaped key level also. It's an A-shaped key level that was disrespected not just once time. It was disrespected the first time. Price didn't tap into it. Let me bring out my cursor, we call it. Price broke above it, broke it the second time again, broke it the third time. Price reacted from it, pushed price upward. Then price came back to that same key level again. Price tapped on it again before price started going upwards. Are you getting me? Before price started going upward, in fact, price hasn't come down. Are you getting me? It hasn't come down since then. I'm just trying to show, even if you go to the 1 hour time frame, you are still going to see them for entries or for whatever you want to do. Like, you always see them. Like I said in the last video, I told you guys, I said expect in a bullish scenario, in a bullish trend, expect A-shaped key levels to be broken and expect V-shaped key levels to hold. Are you getting me? What do you see here? This is a V-shaped key level. This particular key level here is V-shape. That was where price has been reacting from. For this PA, AUD, JPY, price has been reacting from that key level. Just reacting from that key level, Okay. I'm trying to see if this here can give me a re-entry or if it's trying to invalidate me. I don't know. Alright, so like that. Look at this one also. It was also an A-shaped key level that was disrespected. That was where price reacted from. Go to the line chart. A-shaped key level that was disrespected. Price reacted from it and used it for buys. So in an uptrend, A-shape will always be disrespected and V-shape will hold. Are you getting me? If you don't believe me, you can look at this also. This is V-shape key level that price reacted from. Because we are in an uptrend, that's why in a bearish trend, expect V-shaped key levels to be broken. What do you see here? It was broken. The V-shaped key level was broken, and while it was broken, price used it again to now push price downward. Are you getting what I'm saying? Price pushed price downward, and in a downtrend, expect A-shaped key levels to hold. What do you see? A-shape. That was where price moved from. A-shape. Are you getting me? Look at this particular place that price reacted from. This particular key level that price reacted from. It's also a V-shaped key level. Also a V-shaped key level that was supposed to be used for buys. Price now broke it. Let me see if I can see for open close. Let me see. I think those ones happen mainly on gold. Yep. If you look at this particular range, is let's call it range now, or this particular short-term trend line, you see what is happening inside. An A-shape key level broken, price reacting from the A-shape again, V-shape broken. That was what was just happening inside of that little trend on the 1 hour time frame. That was what was happening. And I also today I said, okay, basically we said an open close is used for buys. Where the price reacted from, bullish open close. That was where price reacted from. Look at this also. Now this is a perfect example of what I'm saying. A bearish open close is used for sales. 2 consecutive bearish candle used for sales. But once it is broken with a full body candle, pay attention to what I'm saying, please. Full body candle above it, signifying a breakout. price came back, used that particular key levels for buys. It used it for buys. Look at this one also. This was an A-shaped key level that was still broken. Price still used it for buys. Are you getting what I'm saying? Price still use it for buys again. Just like that. That's what is just happening here. That's what is just happening. I'm trying to look for a multiple when price disrespect the key level multiple times to show you that no key level is wasted. Are you getting what I'm saying? No key level is wasted. There's no key level that is wasted. And when you're going to trade key levels, it should be there should be liquidity close to it. Are you getting? There should be liquidity. The key level should have liquidity very close to it, or you will be the liquidity. Are you getting what I'm saying? When we are teaching entries and then we will now talk on that. When we are not fully doing we are doing expectation to execution, like storyline directly to entry, then we'll now be talking on those liquidity. For now, we are just introducing you to everything, the key levels, the liquidity, the market structure, and when we now get to bias, building bias, we'll talk on building bias, and then we'll now talk on expectation to execution. Then I'll show you how we combine everything, or you can just label it putting everything together. That way, no, that will not be the next video will be on building bias. I'll be showing you the two type of way I build bias, and also how my thought process and everything. Alright, so let's go back to what we are saying. Look at this. This is V-shaped key level. A V-shaped key level is used for buys, right? What can you see that price did? Price reacted from that V-shaped key level, bought, and then it was broken, and it was still broken again. It was broken 2 times. This one was now serving as the internal range liquidity. Oh, why am I talking about liquidity? This one was not serving as the internal range liquidity. What do you see price did again? Price came back to use that particular V-shaped key level. Price came back to use that particular V-shaped key level and bought. Can you see? You see, this is like a clean trend. A very clean trend. It's a very clean trend. I won't lie. It's a very clean one. It's a very clean one. And even if you want to even look at this one also, we can arguably say that it reacted from this open close, but when you look very well, you're going to be seeing another key level here. You are definitely going to see another key level here. See another key level here before even see this A-shaped key level that was disrespected. Go to the line chart. A-shaped key level that was disrespected. Price came back to use it again for sales, for buys. So in a bullish scenario, expect A-shaped key levels to be disrespected and expect V-shaped key levels to hold. Are you getting it? When an A-shaped key level is disrespected, price will most likely use that key level again to push price in the opposite direction. As far as the target for that trend has not been met, please pay attention to what I'm saying. As far as the target for that trend on the higher time frame has not been met, once the target is met, it's dangerous to now be using that key level, because price can just react from it a little and then break it again, using it to push price downward. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to. I'm checking time. Sorry. So also for a bullish and bearish open close, are you getting me? Bullish and bearish open close, the same thing happens. The same thing happens. It's still the same thought process. Where's that pair? Is that BAUD? I think I can find one here. There was a sell on AUD GBP AUD this morning, and I wasn't online. Yeah. So this fat is already reversing. I don't like this. I don't like this type of movement. I don't like this, no. So let's forget about that. I didn't take it, so there's nothing to be worried about. Alright, so look at this now. You can even look at this zone that I marked out. This zone that I marked out. Still the same thing that happened. can see an A-shaped key level that price used before. Let me even put it on the live chat. An A-shaped key level that price used before. Price broke it to the upside, broke it to the downside again. This is what we call a QM. A QM. You can see a QM arrow. Then price broke it again. And then price used that key level to push price downward. Push price downward to the direction that it was intended to go. Downward trend. Are you seeing it? Just like that, just like that, just like that. Continue, just continue going like that. Go on. You can go and backtest it. You can go and check out for the pairs that you are trading. Go and look at it. Key levels, which one price respect, which one price disrespected and came back to respect it. When you start backtesting like that, you start studying like that, it becomes very easy. You get what I'm saying? It becomes very easy for you to spot them. Most of the time, you don't even need to go to the line chart to know which one is an A shape and which one is a V shape. If you even look at this particular key level that this price reacted from is for this particular A shape, that was where price reacted from. If you click on the light chart, you're going to see it's an A shape key level, that was where price reacted from. So when we now get to putting everything together, expectation to bias, it will now become very clear how you move from storyline directly, step by step, moving from one time frame to another until you get to entry. You get what I'm saying? We'll now be treating on that, but for this particular video, we are just talking on disrespected key levels that are disrespected. And if you have any question, you can reach out to me. Like, please, you check on the comment section. You are going to see a link to my Telegram channel. You can click on my Telegram channel, join my Telegram channel, and also you can from the Telegram channel you can get access to me. You see if you check the link on the description on the Telegram channel, you're going to see my username, my Telegram username, so you can reach out to me on Telegram, ask me any question. I'll try as much as possible to answer you. And if you want me to talk about anything, teach anything, you can also reach out to me on the comment section. All right, so that's it. Okay, look at where this place, let's talk on this one again. This is a bearish open close. Look at this. It's a bearish open close. A bearish open close. What did price did? Price broke it upwards and then price broke it again. Price broke it upward. Price broke it downward again. What did price did? Price came back to that key level again. Tap on it and drop. Crazy drop. In fact, the drop that happened since last 2 weeks, it started from there. You get me? It started from that key level. That was where it started from that particular key level. Okay, that was even when that was like Monday, Sunday. Yes, let's just say Monday. That was where it started from. That was like last week, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it should be last week. So that was where the sale started from. So it's a crazy sell. I got so many entries from here, like up to like 4 from this particular move. It was crazy. Alright, so rangy. Oh my god, it's an example of a rangy liquidity. Oh, I'm not talking about liquidity. Okay, so also if you look at this particular key level, look at this one. This is where price reacted from. V-shaped key level, that was where price reacted from. It was broken, price used it, pushed price downward, price came back again and sold from that key level. Are you getting me? So your ability to first of all pay attention to the current structure that you are in, know with the direction, like you are moving one step at a time. Are you getting me? We started with market structure. Map out your market structure to know which direction we are going to, like to know what the structure is saying. Liquidity, where's the liquidity? You identify where the liquidity is. If you can identify those two, key level becomes very easy for you. Are you getting what I'm saying? Key level becomes very easy for you if you can identify those two. Key level becomes very easy for you. Once you can identify market structure, you can identify where the liquidity is, then key level becomes easy. The only problem you will be having is direction. That is why in our next video we are going to be talking on direction, storyline. Be showing you my two type of way to build storyline, to know my storyline, to know my direction, where I'm going to, where I should be trading to for that particular week, or for that particular day, or for that particular month. I can say, okay, throughout this month I'm just going to be buying GBP USD. Throughout this month I'm going to be selling GBP USD. Throughout this week I'm going to be selling Euro USD. Like Euro USD is doing something that is sweet currently, that I'm still paying attention to. I'm still looking at it, but once it's dropped, I'm going to drop it on my Telegram channel so everybody can eat from the move. Are you getting me? All right, so that will be all. This video is already long, so have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, join my Telegram channel as well. I'll drop the link on the comment section. All right, so have a nice day, everyone.